Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can hide your friend list on Facebook. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook app and then click on three lines on top right corner and just scroll down. Click on settings and privacy and now click on settings and just scroll down. And here you can see how people find and contact you. Click on it and here you can see who can see your friend list. So you have to click on public and here you will see five different options. If I want to make my friend list private, I will just click on only me. Click on it. So guys, no one can see my friend list on Facebook. So guys, in this way you can hide your friend list on your Facebook very easily. If this video guide is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.